time for a story. The book we're going to be reading today is called Erol's Garden, and it was written by Gillian Hibbs. Now remember, when we're listening to the story, we need to sit quietly and listen so we can hear. I'm really good at growing things. I'm so good at it that we started running out of room at home. What I really wanted was a real garden. I dreamed about my garden a lot. Then, one day, I noticed something I'd never seen before. I always thought that we lived on the top floor, but there was another button. And there was a roof. I couldn't believe I hadn't seen it before. This was the perfect spot for the garden. I told Dad and Tia right away. We learned as much as we could about roof gardens. But we needed help. Luckily, everyone else was just as excited as me. We made a plan. Everyone had different things to bring, which was good, because there were lots of different things to do. And there still are. I love picking all the fruits and vegetables. I really love carrots. Gardens are fun because they're always changing. So what will we grow next year? The end.
Don't forget to subscribe,
like and share this video with your friends.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching the show. Did you enjoy it? I did too. I hope you at home, I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Miss Mems with the games and stories, joy and laughter, love and cheer. Hanging with the one and only, we're so glad to have you here.